Hey everyone, it's Build Wealth here. Welcome to our channel where we explore the best ways to manage your money and build a prosperous future. Today, we're diving deep into the world of frugality. It's not just about pinching pennies, but about making thoughtful decisions that can lead to long-term financial stability. Now, I'm not talking about being cheap, but rather being smart and intentional with your money. It's about finding value in every dollar you spend and making sure it aligns with your financial goals. You see it all the time. People throwing money away on things they don't need, racking up debt, and wondering where it all went wrong. It's a common trap, but one that can be avoided with the right mindset and habits. But it doesn't have to be that way, and these simple habits I'm about to share with you are the key. By adopting these practices, you can take control of your finances and start building the life you want. We're going to unlock the secrets to living a financially sound life, one step at a time. From budgeting tips to smart shopping strategies, we'll cover it all, so you can achieve your financial goals and live life on your own terms. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or simply live more comfortably, these tips will help you get there. Stay tuned and let's get started on this journey to financial freedom together. The first step to financial freedom is knowing where your money is going. This means taking a detailed look at your income and expenses. And I'm not just talking about a vague idea, but a precise understanding of every dollar spent. I'm talking about tracking every single dollar. This might seem tedious at first, but it's crucial for gaining control over your finances. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a good old-fashioned notebook, whatever works for you. The important thing is to be consistent and thorough. The key is to categorize your spending: housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. Break it down into as many categories as you need to get a clear picture. See where your money is actually going. This will help you identify areas where you might be overspending or where you can cut back. Once you have a clear picture, you can set realistic limits for each category and start making conscious decisions about your spending. This is the foundation of a solid financial plan. By taking these steps, you'll be on your way to achieving financial stability and peace of mind. Remember, the goal is to make your money work for you, not the other way around. Eating out might seem convenient, but it's a surefire way to drain your bank account. Think about it. A $20 restaurant meal could buy you ingredients for several home-cooked meals. And the best part? Cooking at home is not only cheaper, but it's also healthier. You control the ingredients, the portions, and you can even try out new recipes and impress your friends and family. Start small. Try cooking at home just 2 or 3 times a week and see the difference it makes in your budget. Owning a car is expensive. Gas, insurance, maintenance, parking, it all adds up. Public transportation, on the other hand, is a much more affordable option. Think about it. A monthly bus or train pass often costs less than a single car payment. Plus, you can use your commute time to catch up on reading, listen to podcasts, or simply relax and enjoy the ride. And if public transport isn't feasible, consider carpooling or biking. It's good for your wallet and the environment. Buying in bulk is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to save money. Items like rice, beans, pasta, toiletries, they all come cheaper when you buy them in larger quantities. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if I don't have space? Get creative. Utilize underbed storage, maximize pantry space, or even split bulk purchases with friends or family. The key is to stock up on essentials when they're on sale and save yourself money in the long run. Never underestimate the power of a good coupon. Whether it's groceries, clothes, or electronics, there's always a deal to be found. Browse online coupon websites, sign up for store newsletters, and download coupon apps. There are so many resources available. And don't forget about student discounts, senior discounts, or even just asking for a discount. You never know what you might save. Impulse purchases are the enemy of a healthy budget. That's why I live by the 30-day rule. If you see something you want, don't buy it immediately. Instead, wait 30 days. If you still really want it after 30 days, then consider buying it. Chances are you'll forget about it or realize you didn't really need it in the first place. This simple rule has saved me thousands of dollars and prevented countless unnecessary purchases. Before you call a plumber or electrician for every little thing, consider this. You can save a lot of money by learning to do some basic repairs yourself. YouTube is a goldmine of DIY tutorials. From fixing leaky faucets to painting walls, there's a video for everything. Start with small projects and gradually work your way up. Not only will you save money, but you'll also gain valuable skills and a sense of accomplishment. Streaming services, gym memberships, subscription boxes, they all seem affordable individually, but they can quickly add up. That's why it's crucial to do a regular subscription audit. Go through your bank statements and identify all your recurring subscriptions. Then ask yourself, am I really using this? If the answer is no, cancel it. You'll be surprised how much you can save by cutting down on unnecessary subscriptions. Saving energy is not only good for the environment, but it's also good for your wallet. Simple habits like turning off lights when you leave a room, unplugging electronics when not in use, and using energy-efficient appliances can make a significant difference in your energy bills. Consider switching to LED light bulbs, using a programmable thermostat, and washing clothes in cold water. Every little bit helps. Who says you need to buy everything brand new? Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces are treasure troves of affordable finds. From clothing and furniture to electronics and books, you can find amazing deals on gently used items. Not only will you save money, but you'll also be giving these items a second life and reducing waste. Meal planning is one of the most effective ways to reduce food waste and save money on groceries. Before you head to the store, plan out your meals for the week and make a detailed shopping list. This will prevent impulse purchases and ensure you only buy what you need. And don't be afraid to get creative with leftovers. Turn last night's dinner into today's lunch and stretch your food budget even further. Setting financial goals is crucial, but it's equally important to track your progress and stay motivated. Whether your goal is to pay off debt, save for a down payment, or invest for retirement, regularly review your progress and celebrate your milestones. Use a financial tracker, a vision board, or simply write down your goals and track your progress. Whatever method keeps you inspired and on track. So there you have it, 12 simple yet powerful habits that have helped me save money and live a more frugal life. These habits are not just about cutting costs, but about creating a lifestyle that values mindfulness and intentionality. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, it's about being mindful of your spending and making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. By being aware of where your money goes, you can make better decisions that support your long-term objectives. Start by implementing one or two of these habits today and gradually incorporate more as you go. Whether it's meal prepping to save on food costs or setting up a budget to track your expenses, each small step can lead to significant changes over time. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes in your financial well-being. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to help you live a financially healthy and fulfilling life.